Hey guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, today's video is going to be on Pretty Party, which is the company that does what I call the Pretty Pony. And it's just a ponytail and it has a wire in it. So I'm sure if you've seen the Instagram, Facebook, their ads are all over the place. So I wanted to see how easy it was. We're gonna go ahead and see how easy it is to make a really beautiful ponytail. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. Alright, so I just washed my hair and I actually just did the roots. I will tell you that the color, that this is one of the issues with redheads. Blondes, brunettes, you have like 150 choices. Redheads, you're lucky you get 2 choices. And this was the closest that I could get. Now, up here, very close. Down here, where at one point I had highlights 3 months ago, but now it's just sort of really fading and not a really, I need a nice rich toner to it. So it's not gonna match perfectly, but it'll give us an idea of how it looks. So it comes, it's very long. You can see it's a good, I don't even know, long. And it has this wire, it's a covered wire and it's a thick wire, so it's very flexible. You can see I can move it in many directions. The beauty of that is that you can have you can definitely have a longer pony or a shorter pony. The one thing I have been playing with this for a little bit. The one thing that I do know is that I do have very thick hair, so really I needed 2 of them. And that would have been nice to know ahead of time. But we're just gonna go with 1 and I'm gonna show you how it works. So I have washed my hair and straightened it a little bit. So all I'm gonna do is put it into a pony. And this is where it's up to you if you want a high pony or a, you know, more low pony. I typically like a high pony, so I'm gonna put it a little bit higher up. Just gonna wrap it. Now, I have really thick hair, so see, I hardly have any pony at all. And that's why I like something like this, because I love a long pony. I think a long pony looks so pretty. And I'm gonna wrap it 3 times, which is really hard because I've got super thick hair. But if I don't, it will not hold. So I have to just do it. Okay, so as you can see, I have a very small pony. It's a sad pony. No, but it's just not a really pretty pony. I don't like my hair super flat back, but I will fix it after I put the pony in. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just take the pony, and this is the kind of that thick, you know, wire here. It's just completely covered, so it's nice and soft. And you're gonna put it in right through where your ponytail is, right? And then come out the other end. And you can see that I've done that. So see here? So you can make it as long or as short as you want. The more you pull it through, the shorter the ponytail will be. So I'm gonna go probably mid length here. So I'm gonna do this. Now what we're gonna do is take the pony, okay, and we're gonna bend it back and grab onto your pony, okay, that you've made. So we have it all together. And then we have this part here, very wiry, see that? And you're gonna wrap it around both the extension pony and your pony. And then you just tuck in. This wire is very bendable. And then you're just gonna tuck it in. Now, there's still wire here. You can see there's still this wire here. So I like a bump, so you could leave it, but you could just bend it down. And then you just fix your pony over your own hair. Now, the closer that your hair color is to the pony, the more natural it will look. So I'm just gonna pull a little bit of hair out, and I'm gonna give my pony, which is underneath, a little pull, because I like that bump. I like the bump. And then I'm just gonna give it a little brush. There we go. Now, this is what I'm talking about. I have super thick hair and the pony is thin. If you have thin hair, this is not going to be an issue. You'll need one. If you have thick hair, it doesn't matter the length, it's the thickness of the hair, then you're going to need two. And this is where I really wish I would have gotten two, but you know, gotta go with what we got. And then let me go ahead and show you the back. So as you can see, super cute, right? I mean, it blends pretty well. Go. But the color is not perfect, but it can be. So really cute, right? I mean, I love a ponytail. I love a long ponytail. And my hair is just so incredibly thick that it's very difficult for me to get a nice thick ponytail. And I do like more of a bump, so I do pull a little more out. So, and then you can just wear it on the side. Super cute, right? So this is probably, the higher up the ponytail you make, obviously the shorter the pony will be, but I think this is a really cute length. Not too hot. I like swinging it. You could put a little bit of a curl into it, but I like the pony exactly like it is. I think it's really incredibly cute, right? Now I'm going to show you what it would look like if we did a longer pony. I wish I would have got two. Wish I would have known. All right, so again, just right through. Super easy. See, already through. So now I'm just going to have enough to where I'm just going to go around maybe one time, and we're going to bring this up over the pony. How many times can I say pony? Goodness gracious. I'm going to grab my hair and the pony and then just wrap it around, and it wraps around, oh, at least once, maybe once and a half, and then just tuck it in. The rest of that wire, so however you want to lay it. So now we're longer here. See that? Super cute, right? So we're gonna give it a little brush, kind of blend the two together. And again, you don't have to wear it on the side. I love a ponytail on the side. I think it's so, so pretty. And again, just really cute. And it's actually not, it's blending pretty decently, but you can see, look how long that is. So let me show you the back on this one. So not bad with the color. How cute that is, right? I think this is so cute. What are my final thoughts? Well, first of all, I'm going to show you a little trick that I do, because when I have really thick hair, and I've had extensions before where I've done a ponytail, I haven't had a pony extension. This is awesome because it's extremely light, but I have thick hair. It's not the pony that's weighing it down, it's my own thick hair. So what I'll do is I'll take a little, like a little clip, and I'll go underneath my hair, and at just right where the rubber band is, I'll pull it up, because like I said, I like a really super high pony, and I'll just stick that under there, and it just gives it a little more support and a little more lift. Gosh, I love a lift. There we go. Alright guys, so what are my final thoughts on Pretty Party's pony? Okay, so here's the thing. I'm going to talk about it with regards to the quality and all of that, and then how it worked for me. So quality wise, I think it's awesome. Price is really awesome. I do have a discount. I paid for it myself. This isn't a sponsored video. when I buy something, I always turn to a company and say, hey, I'm going to be doing a video. If it's something I like, you know, do you want to offer a discount to my subscribers? And they said yes. So I will put that here and in the description box. So I think it's amazing. I think it's really cute. I love, love, love the color. My ends are a little bit light. And where I had highlights a few months ago, I was a little bit light. So I will need a toner and it'll darken it up. The other thing is I will need 2. If you have thick hair, it's not about the length. If you have thick hair, you will need 2. You will also need 2 if you want to, say, go like this and have pony on both sides. You see, I can't do that. There's not enough hair on the pony to do it. It's enough to do it on one side, which is totally fine, but I am gonna order another one and I am gonna wear this on vacation because super easy. I mean, you saw, that's the one thing. Boy, I like super easy. It's lightweight. It's just really incredibly cute. And I really like it. And it's comfortable. And the other thing is I love that it's adjustable, right? Depending on how far you pull it through, you can have a shorter. So if you have thinner hair, I think this actually would work best for people that have thinner hair. You can really make a nice thick pony by just pulling it through and just have that real nice thickness. Thickness is not something I need. I wanted length, which is great, but as you can see, it looks much thicker here because this is a mix of the extension and my hair, and then my hair is not down here. So it would be nice to have a little more, like I said, it would be nice to have 2 of them. I think that would be really nice. All right, guys, so that's my opinion. I think it's really great, and with the discount code, it's a really reasonable price. It'd be really super cute for summer. Yeah, that's my thoughts. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.